Di mo joke.
Guys, sorry, bawi ako sa inyo. Guys, sorry, bawi ako. May jumain si Kelsi sa live eh. Bye-bye guys, thank you so much.
We will end the live because we have last things to do right now.
Okay, you guys go enjoy your dinners. Thank you for teaching me how to dance. It was so nice to meet you, Callo. I just followed you,
Thank you
Callo.
so much, Amira.
Thank you so
Nice
much,
meeting you.
Amira. Nice
Thank
meeting
you
you.
for teaching me how to dance. You guys are amazing. I hope you guys have the
Yes.
best night ever.
You
Just
too.
message
Thank
me
you,
if you
guys.
need anything or I will teach you something. Just message me.
Okay, call me tomorrow for our next dance lesson, okay?
Okay, if you
Okay,
want
dance lesson tomorrow.
if you want to dance, okay, I teach you how to dance. Teach you?
Okay, so Callo, do you wanna do a dance lesson tomorrow too?
Yes, tomorrow too. Tomorrow
Okay,
too.
Tomorrow
Okay.
we'll do a dance lesson, okay?
Okay, dance
Okay,
lesson
perfect.
tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah.
What you gonna do now after this live?
Oh, I'm gonna stay on for another hour. I'm gonna stay on for one more hour.
1 more hour, and after the
Yeah.
1 more hour, what you do now?
Then I'm gonna eat breakfast, and then I have to go to work for a few hours.
What is your work?
I train the sales pros that join my company, so I'm a trainer.
Oh, you're a trainer?
Like for like corporate, like for my job, like for the people
Boy,
that,
sinabi ko, anak ako na
join.
CEO.
Yes, me too.
Boy, sinabi ko, anak ako na CEO.
Napapanood ko yan. Napapanood ko sa sarili siya. Niloloko mo kami company. Kunyari, ano, di ba?
What are you saying?
Sabi mo.
Si Kelsey kasi hot. Kelsey said he is the CEO of Father.
Yeah, I'm still trying to find out what. So, Callo, what do you do? Because Kelsey won't tell me what he does. Do you guys do TikTok full time?
Yes. No, not a
Oh,
full
okay.
time. Half hour.
that's nice.
Because I have a 10 pesos to... I'm just kidding. That is a joke. I
Okay.
know,
okay,
you're
wait,
not-
Kelsey, stop laughing, Kelsey.
Kelsey is... Kelsey.
Kelsey.
Yes. I will stop laughing.
Okay. What's your
Everyone's
question?
telling me that you guys are vloggers in the Philippines and check your Facebook page. Is that true?
Not really.
That's it.
Wait, are you guys vloggers in the Philippines?
Yes, we are the world.
Do you guys have Facebook too? I'm gonna have to
Yeah.
like check your stuff
Yeah.
out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you have-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Kelsey, me and you are friends. Callo, do you want to be my friend too?
Yes, I will.
Okay, that's nice. I would like to be your friend too.
Okay.
Okay, so now
You
now
follow
we're
you,
friends.
Amira. Thank you,
Callo will
Amira.
follow you too.
Yeah, Callo has to follow me too because now we're all friends.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You're
Yes,
so
okay.
kind. And
You guys are really nice. You guys made my whole day. Thank you for teaching me how to dance.
oh, not the whole day because you have a half day only because 9 a.m.
Kelsey, why are you laughing?
No. I saw something in the comment.
That's it. Come on.
Okay, I think we're good. My brother is calling me right now.
Okay, you go
Thank
hang
you
out
so
with your
much,
brother.
Amira. Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys so much. Have the best
Okay.
day.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Amira.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Callo, Kelsey, thank you guys.
Thank you
Yeah.
so
See you
much,
tomorrow.
Amira. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye. See you
Bye,
tomorrow. Bye.
Amira. Thank you.
Di mo mo kalo? Puno na sabi mo.
Sabi ko, tama lang naman ah.
Hindi mo pigilan ni tawawa. Ito kinunood sa akin, no? Kanina 14K nunood sa akin.
Comment nyo na comment sa akin eh.
Hingil
Punta daw
ako.
ako sa'yo.
Ay, Diyos ko. Pare, nakailang sayo ko, pare. Tapos kanina meron pang may Pakistan pa, pare. Hingil ako Ha.
Naglalaro ako, hype ka.
Dapat tininto mo muna eh.
Ma'am, thank you so much!
Par, 15K nunood ngayon. Siguro ganito na lang, para maganda. Babalik kami ni Kalo mga madaling araw. Alas 12 o alauna. Magla-live kami tapos kakausap ulit kami. Pero magkakasama na kami. Okay. Mag-e-end lang kami ng live ngayon kasi may gagawin kami. Yeah. Yes.
Sir Gavin, call us na.
Yes. Okay. 16K nunood ngayon, par. Sa akin. Ang dami. Hindi ka lang ang dami nunood.
Puro ka daw kalokohan eh. Ha?
Mag-end ba tayo? 16K nanonood sa akin. 16.6 na kayo, no?
Ikaw sabi muna yan. Maglalaro muna ako. Kanina pa, Ega. Ay, lipat ka kay Kelsey. May ginakausap. Paldo, Ega. Nagagago.
Hindi ka lang ako. Nakakailan sa ako kanina. 17K nanonood sa akin ngayon.
Laki 4K yata. 4K ba? Hindi ko alam 4K ito.
Ano ba yung pinagagawa namin? Ang dami nyo ngayon.
4K.
Kanina pa ako pawid pa
Ay,
pawid.
Trisha, hello.
17.5. 17.6 nanonood sila. Para uy, ang dami ko naturuan sumayaw.
Ha?
Dami ko naturuan sumayaw kanina. May New Zealand pa nga eh. Tinuruan ko magsayaw si Adam.
Ang ginagawa ng mga tao.
Halika, mag-ano nga tayo. Hanap pa nga ako isa.
Yan mo na, maglalaro na ako. Kausapin mo na yung mga yan.
Sige, sige. Maglaro ka na. Alis ka na sa live. Bigyan na.
Uy, ikaw umalis, hindi ko alam.
Ha? Hindi mo ba alam?
Hindi
Teka,
ba to
teka.
eh.
Okay, okay.
Go, bye-bye boy.
So, ayun. Ay, nako. Ang dami nunod. Babalik na lang siguro kami mga madaling araw, alas 12 or onwards. 12 a.m. onwards. Kasi may gagawin pa kami. At pumipiyok na rin ako. Ala na. Wamimi. Ang grabe ba? Ano na? Wala namang kakaiba dito. Ang dami nunood. Okay, okay. At wala na akong boses. Magpapahinga muna din ako. And babalik na lang kami mamaya. So, ayun. Thank you so much sa lahat ng nanonood. At ayun. Makikipag-usap na kami mamaya ulit. Yung mga matutulog. Matulog na muna. Ay. Sumakit lalamunan ko dun ah. Nadali 6-7 par. Ano? Papaalam na ako. May gagawin pa kami. Na muli kay aking kikita sa bintana. Ayun. Ayun guys, mauna muna ako. Babalik na lang kami mamaya, magre-live na lang kami. Thank you so much sa lahat na nanood at sana mamaya manood ulit kayo. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. Mag-end muna ako.